It's a feeling I see memories out of the past, memories that always will last, of a place beside the sea. At night when the shadows are falling, I hear your rolling self calling, calling and calling to me. Tis for you that my heart is yearning. My thoughts are always returning out there to you across the sea. Your tropic nights and your wonderful charms are ever in my memory. And I recall when I held in my arms an angel sweet and my whole life is empty without you. I miss that magic about you, magic beside the sea, magic of magic of
Mahalo, as we say thank you in Hawaiian. Again, Mama Ellen, my mom, all of 85 years young, and she's still dancing. This next song, we're going to do another